Hi friends, welcome to the next lecture on Spring Boot framework. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain what RESTful services we are going to complete this upcoming lecture. In this upcoming lecture, I will be going through how to. I will be going through validation part. I will be going through internationalization parts. I will be going documentation part. I'll be going through FITOs, all those points. There are multiple concepts. I will be going through all those and I'm going to explain what REST services we are going to get. We are going to create a get service. Get returns get all users. For this, URI should be users. HTTP method is get. HTTP method is create a user. Create a user. How to create a user? Using post HTTP method, we are going to create a user. Get a particular user. How to get a particular user? This is a get method. We are getting slash slash id id will specifying the id and delete a user. Wanted to delete a user will be using delete HTTP method. Delete dash users. Which user we are going to delete? We are going to specify user id. I wanted to update a particular user. Update some data. For this will be using put dash just dash id. This user I am going to update, and I wanted to get all tweets for a particular user. So I need to specify users. Without users, tweets won't be present. For a user, we will have tweets or comments. User slash get user particular tweets for particular user. User ID we have to specify. For this user, we need to get the all tweets. Let's create a tweet for a user. For this user, we are going to create a tweet. ID we have to specify after that. And for this, it is a get method. HTTP method is get. For this, it is a post method. We are going to create a tweet, and where we wanted to get a particular tweet. Get is has to be used slash users dash id dash tw dash particular tweet. We have to specify the id. By the end of this course, we are going to create a project and with all these functionality. Okay, thank you guys.